Here's our Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. I'm going to show you how to force a restart, okay? You basically want to force a restart if you're not able to restart or power down the traditional way, like if you hold down the power button and the volume down. If you press and hold both buttons and hold it, it should bring up the power off menu, okay? And maybe your screen's not working, you can't restart or power off or whatnot. So what you can do here is you can restart it using a special key combination up here. So what you want to do is press and hold the volume down and power button. You want to press and hold and do not let go until you see a Samsung logo appear, then let go, okay? So we're going to do this together. Volume down, power button, okay? Ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons. Don't worry about what's happening to the screen. Just continue to hold those two buttons. The volume down, power button. Keep on holding and just wait until we see a Samsung logo appear. Just wait, still holding on both buttons. Where's that Samsung logo? It's going to get ready to vibrate first. It vibrated. There's the Samsung logo. Let go of both buttons and let it go ahead and boot back up normally. And that's how you force a restart. Questions or issues? Just comment below.